welcome to our Aliʻi Warrior Assembly. Second Warrior. That is our vision, knowledge and wisdom with compassion. Embedded in our vision, we have our core values, our 3 core values. I know you folks know them, they're the 3 R's: responsibility, resiliency, and respect. So because of our core values and our vision, we are able to honor you today for excelling in those areas. And today is a day of honor and pride for you folks because you're being recognized for your hard work. And you're going to receive 3 things of acknowledgement. The first thing you will receive is a certificate of recognition. The second thing is you will have an official Kawananakoa mask. And the third thing is a gift card from McDonald's. Wonderful, awesome. It is my honor and privilege to start the ceremony, and Ms. Lula, like I said, is going to read the first names. The first recipients to come up on the stage, and if you need, teachers need to come up, you can come up as well.
There we go. All right, so our first recipient is Evan Huang. Okay, and our next recipient is Kayla Kawana. All right, so our 6th grade Aliʻi Warrior recipients are Lori He. Okay, and then we have Diesel Kahapea. Then we have Jeremiah Sarmiento. And then we have Kaya Valdez Lutu. Okay, so 7th grade, we have Tristan Reyes. And next we have Misha Salvatera. Jaslyn Talamoa Smith. Sarah Ann Absidy. And next we have Chaisen He. And next is Chase Lee. And finally, we have Elijah Sabale.
Alright, hold up those boards, nice and proud, big smiles. 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations.